Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisinelover. Today I will be preparing a very delicious, well-known rice preparation. It is called Navratan Pulao. It has started naming this dish from the time of Mughals. अकबर के समय से ये बहुत प्रचलन हुआ है because in the Akbar court, Akbar used to keep 9 jewels who has a different specialty in their own field. And Akbar used to keep these 9 jewels in their court, and from there it has spread it to many part of India. और उसके बाद से ही हम लोग जो 9 तरह का सामान, 9 तरह का मेन इंग्रेडिएंट, जिसका एक एक इंग्रेडिएंट का एक एक खूबी होता है, वही इंग्रेडिएंट डाल के जब कोई आइटम बनाते हैं तो उसको बोला जाता है नवरत्न. अगर आप ग्रेवी का कुछ आइटम बनाएंगे तो उसको बोला जाएगा नवरत्न कोरमा. इफ यू आर मेकिंग दिस डिश फॉर द राइस प्रिपरेशन, it will be called Navratan Pulao. So today I will be showing you how to prepare easy way of Navratan Pulao. But remember that yes, it is correct that we need to keep 9 specific ingredient, 9 types of ingredient to make this dish. But if it is not available at your home, it is not like that you are not able to make this Navratan Pulao. Navratan Pulao or कोई भी पुलाव preparation you will find if you go to different countries, you will find these dishes. Somewhere इसको बोला जाता है पुलाव, somewhere it is called pilaf, somewhere it is called paella, and India, Pakistan and other countries it is being called as pulao. So let us start making this pulao. Navratan Pulao, 9 types of specific various types of ingredients need to be given, and the item need to be little sweet in taste. Let us start. Navratan Pulao के लिए हमने जो vegetables लिए हैं, हमने थोड़ा सा उसको उबाल लिए हैं. So we have taken the boiled vegetables. Now while you are boiling the vegetables, it should be boiled till 75% cook. And I have taken few dry fruits and paneer. So let me heat the pan. Take some oil. इसमें लेंगे हम थोड़ा सा घी. Once the ghee melts, I will temper it with whole hot spices, some cinnamon, some cardamom, cloves and cumin seed. So let me mix all these whole hot spices. The spices have started crackling. Now I will add first paneer. Lightly saute the paneer. Once the paneer lightly cook, I will add the vegetables, French beans, some carrot, green peas, some cashew nut, almond, walnut, थोड़ा सा अखरोट डाला और किशमिश. सो 9 तरह का सामान मैंने डाल दिया. तो पनीर के साथ हम लोग सबको कुक कर देते हैं. So at this stage I will add some salt, थोड़ा सा sugar शुगर हमने इस टाइम में डाले हैं because the sugar melts properly and while we will be mixing it with the rice, it will be nicely mixed. Now add the rice. So I have mixed rice along with the vegetables and nuts. At this stage I will add little milk. Give a nice stir and I will cover it. Cook it for maximum 5 minutes by covering the pan so that the air, the flavor, it traps inside and it develops the flavor properly. Milk which I have given, it will dry out and it will soak inside the vegetables, dry fruits and rice, and you will be enjoying the whole recipe, the food very nicely. Very easy recipe. You will try. I believe you will make better than me which I am preparing. Rice को मैंने दम पे रखा है almost 5 minutes. So let me remove the cover. Wow, lovely and nice flavor is coming out. So just give a mix. You can see it has become dry completely. So now is the time for the presentation. So Navratan Pulao is ready for you to enjoy. Prepare the dish, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Happy cooking!